You know, I'm picking up that song na kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Hmm, magulo siguro yung mundo niya ngayon. Ang dami niya siguro ngayong inaasikaso mga problema sa mutsaring mga bagay-bagay, kaliwa't kanan, harap, likod, ng mga problema itaas at ibaba na din. Pero mukhang ikaw yung kanya ritong tunay na pahinga. Namoy mo yung toothpaste ko. Yeah, whoever this energy is, this person here sees you, no, like a stress reliever. So I do see na kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person finds peace just by thinking of you, having thoughts of you, will make him or her feel instantly calm and alam mo yon, no, panatag, yan, no. But there's also a sense of nostalgia. Let me see. Alam mo naman, pakailamera tayo rito. So, alamin natin. Ano bang meron dun? Ay, oh, taray. Center of the reading, the Queen of Swords. Yeah, this is your energy here, the core energy mo towards this person. By the way, we have here the world energy and the Eight of Pentacles. Oh, interesting. Wheel of Fortunes here. Bottom of the deck, we have the Page of Cups now, Ace of Wands, and the Star. Yeah, yun nga yun. So, gusto ng isang person dito pakatandaan mo. Yes, ikaw. Galit ba siya, Miss Yan? Hindi. Pero meron ditong diin or emphasis, no? This person right in here, no, ay talagang gusto niya rito pakatandaan mo. Yan, no? Na nandito lang siya maghihintay sa'yo at hindi magbabago, no? Umaraw man o umulan. Yan. So, sino man tong energy na ito, this person right in here, no, ay inilalabas na yung pagiging pasensyosa niya ngayon. This person here ay mukhang nakokontrol na yung kanyang temper issues ngayon. This person here, no, ay not moving fast dito, no, not putting pressure on you, no, but this person here, gusto niya ditong tandaan mo na kahit na anong gawin mo, kahit na kinut off mo na siya sa buhay mo, kahit na pinagtatabuyan mo siya ngayon sa buhay mo, kahit na sinusumpa mo pa siya ngayon sa buhay mo, at kahit na hindi pa magaganda yung mga naiisip mo sa kanya, nandito siya, hindi magpapatinag. Gusto niyang tandaan mo na kahit na anong gawin mo, hindi mo pagpapabago ang isip niya rito at wala ka rin daw karapatan. Akala ko ba hindi negative, Miss yan, 'no? Yeah, hear me muna, 'no? Kumpletuhin muna natin, 'no, yung sasabihin ko. Okay, wala ka raw karapatan na sabihin sa kanya na iba na lang yung mahalin or magustuhan niya dahil ikaw lang ang gusto niya. Oh. Doesn't it sound negative? Ani? Hindi, no? This person here sounded real, 'di ba? So I do see that whoever this energy is, this person here with the Knight of Swords, yan ang malinaw. Nalilinaw niya sa'yo. Okay? Despite of all the things na pinapakita mo sa kanya, maybe you're being harsh with this person, maybe you are telling him or her to, go away, no? Or maybe others of you could be saying cursing words, no? Para lubayan or layuan ka niya or whatsoever. But yeah, I do see that this person right in here, no, buo na yung kanyang loob. Hindi siya rito magpapatibag kahit na nagpapakita ka ng poot, galit, pagka suklam sa kanya, ano man yan, hatred, grudge, whatever. This person here will continue to work things out. Will wait for you. Okay? Will wait for you dito. Ayan, oh. So, miss yan. Paano yan kung ikakasal na ako? Hihintayin niya pa rin ako. Tama. Hintayin ka pa rin niya. Okay? Because this person here, no? Okay? Kung hindi ka niya hihintayin, edi wag na siyang maghintay. Kasi wala siyang ibang nakikita rito. Kahit kakasal na ako, miss yan. Kahit kasal na ako, miss yan. I don't know. But this person here is going crazy over you. This person here, wala siya ritong planong mag-asawa ng kahit sino. This person right here is only claiming you. So if hindi ikaw yon, mm, hindi rin siya magpapakasal dito. See? Sabi ko sa'yo. Buo na ang kanyang loob right in here. Wala na makakapagpapigil. Seven of Wands energy. Eto na siya. Na malinaw niya yung nililinaw sa'yo. Sasabihin niya yan sa'yo para malinaw. So this person here, you will hear him or her tell it to you. Okay? Or others of you, you will receive a phone call and this is the message of this person right in here. Now, whether you will hear this person here live or in person or whether you will see this person's message via any online platforms or even text messages. Yan. Yun ang malinaw na nililinaw niya dito. So, bago natin pag-usapan ito, more bati muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istambaris, thank you so much, no? And yes, hindi niyo pala meron pa po tayong isa pang channel link down below lang sa ating description box. So if interested, i-click lang yan para makarating kayo there. Everyday nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At kanina nga, yes, nag-upload na tayo no, ng collective readings for all signs doon. So you can watch na din there. No? So, lahat tayong gender dito by lalaki LGBT. Lahat tayo welcome na possible rin mag-switch ng roles. Why? General reading kasi ito mahal na at the end of the day. Lahat tayo may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, yeah! By the way, timeless ibig sabihin na nangyari na ha. Sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba mangyayari pa lang. But here, I do see that this is someone here na ex-lover mo, waiting for you. Naghihintay siya dito, nililinaw niya yan. So kahit na kinasusuklaman mo pa siya ngayon, kahit na nasusuka ka sa kanyang pagmumukha ngayon, pasensya sa lahat ng kumakain at kahit na diring-diri ka pa ngayon sa kanya, sorry mare, pero wala na siya ritong planong umatras, no? Mare pare LGBTQs, Knight of Swords energy, tuloy ito. Simula ngayon, tandaan mo, collective, hihintayin kita kahit anong mangyari. Yan, ganong klase ng energy. May diin, may emphasis. This person here, dito lang siya, living his or her own life, magpo-focus sa trabaho niya rito, while waiting, while pursuing you. This person right in here, no? Kagaya ng kanina, kung tanong mo man yun, kahit nasa loob ka ng isang relationship or kahit nakasal ka pa, hihintayin ka pa rin niya. Hihintayin ka niya kahit na you are living your own life. I know this might sound na parang creepy or this person here ba miss yan ay stalk ako or will stalk sa akin. No? Yeah, it might appear like that. But more likely with the temperance energy, this approach is some kind of soft and not making a scene na lumabas ka dyan, collective, sino yung pinalit mo sa akin o sino yung bago sa buhay, walang ganon. Hindi kailangang ipatawag si kapitan. So nakita natin dito na ibig sabihin na hihintayin ka niya. Okay? If there will be a chance na mag-separate kayo ng person mo, then this person here will, doon pa lang siya kikilos, no? Will do anything dito. And yeah, okay, kung ikaw naman, no, ay kasal, no, hihintayin niya rito, no, na magkaroon ng chance na maging malaya ka doon. Okay? So, wala siyang gagawin ditong anything by force. Okay? Walang crime na mangyayari rito, no? So, okay? Wag kayo mag-isip ng gano'n. Okay? This person here ay harmless. Pero sinasabi niya ito na nahihintay niya kayo rito. Ibig sabihin, malalaman mo yan. Kasi nakikita kong lilipas yung mga oras at panahon dito. You will hear the words no, being passed down sa kanyang mga kaibigan at makakarating sa'yo. Alam mo naman, may pakpak ang balita. 'Di ba? So, I do see that you will think na, shh, baboy. Or or baliw na ba siya, ano, naloloko na ba siya or naloloka na ba siya, hinihintay niya ako, meron na akong bago ngayon, gano'n. May bago ka man ngayon o wala mahal, hihintayin ka pa rin niya rito, pero walang planong manggulo. Okay. So I do see that whoever this energy is now, this person here knows how to control his or her emotions and feelings now, how to control his or her temper. Okay, maybe that's the problem during those times na you were together. This person here with the Wheel of Fortune do not want to waste time here. So even though galit ka sa kanya ngayon or meron ka ritong tinanim na sama ng loob or kung ano man 'yan 'no, or kung ayaw mo na sa kanya gano'n din, tuloy pa rin, hintayin ka pa rin niya rito. Hindi na siya rito nagpapalihim ng kanya ritong emotions and feelings, hindi niya na tinatago 'yan. Okay, it will be out pretty soon if hindi mo pa naririnig itong person na 'to. This person here will call you, reach out to you, Four of Coins energy in reverse. And nakikita natin dito that with the World card energy 'no, even though you shut your whole world dito sa tao na 'to, this person here will go chase you kahit saan ka pumunta, yan. So, I do see that this person right in here no, hindi stalk, okay, I'm not, getting that, okay, but maybe this person here could be looking at your photos na making it his or her wallpaper, background sa kanyang, notebook, laptop, computer, desktop. Okay, and even handphone. So, mga ganong klase ng energy. So, whoever this lover of yours, no, I mean your ex-lover, this person mo, no, will continue to love you even though you start loving someone new. Or even though you're open up yourself to someone new, or maybe you're single but you're open to new love and not really going back into anyone from the past. Okay? This person here will continue to wait for you. See? Hay, baliw na yan, miss yan. Parang medyo. But this is what's going on in his or her thoughts. So, syempre, at the end of the day, you still have your own decision to make. So, it's totally up with you guys if you still want to, give this person here another chance or just um, continue, no, not caring, ano man yung ginagawa niya rito, ignoring, or paying not paying attention, okay, dito sa kanyang ginagawa, nasa sa inyo yan. So with the Page of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Star, this person here ay willing to heal your connection right in here and to start all over again. Page of Cups is an energy here of someone from the past na minahal mo rin talaga ng sobra. So, alam mo kung sino ito sa lahat naman naging ex mo. The one na talagang umiyak ka, real tears. Okay? The one na talagang minahal mo with all your heart. Okay? Kaya nang iniwan ka niya, you feel talaga yung broken-heartedness, no? Very strong. Okay? So, that is the clue who this person is, no? Sa mga ex mo. Ilan ba naging ex mo? Ganda talaga ng kumare ko. Gano'n. Wala tayong gender dito bawal lalaki o LGBT, okay? So yeah, mga babes ito ang ating mga initials na nakikita. We have here capital letter S, capital letter T, capital letter E, capital letter N, capital letter R, capital letter E, and capital letter L. For small letters, we have D as in dog, C, A, P, T, Y, G, and last but not the least, we have you. So, yeah, ito yung mga mensahe na kuha natin right here for you. Again, I'm Yuriana, ani for the Gusing Yana, Duna for the Basarang Hayal Love and Light Hidra. Annyeong.